said, think about the bright side. We can get to Guangzhou.
钱，你不是落地钱，所以你要交照片给他帮你办签证。啊，好的，好的。
You can do that?
It helps make the air smell nice.
It's kind of funny because he's sort of sad on that.
You can take some pictures first.
Yeah.
Or you can pick some tea. Helps the pictures.
Pick some tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like a belt, you know. At least you don't have to carry anything on top of it. Like,
Oh, what's it taste like?
nothing so far.
Pointier and it would be.
What do you eat? Tea.
Besides lips.
Yeah, he said. It just tastes like a leaf. No. Green. Does it taste like tea or? It just tastes like a leaf.
Not just supposed to taste like fruit.
No.
10 weeks. It feels like 10 hours.
Tourist.
Can't find one that fits.
I know. Yeah.
Those are hats or those are baskets?
No questions.
Quite the process. Quite the process. I never realized it was that long.
This is not long. If you make a black tea, it's longer. Black tea fermentation takes about 3 days.
Oh.
And the compressed tea fermentation takes about 2 months. Yeah.
When you said about shelf life, do you say should you store it in plastic, airproof, or
Put in a
and something with a lid?
yes, airtight, and put in the box.
Delta, which is close to Shanghai, Suzhou, that areas. Another is Guangzhou. You know, Guangzhou we call the Pearl River Peninsula. Pearl River Peninsula, where a lot of the shoes, okay, and shirts, okay, a lot of high tech like.